Hello, Jill Connor. How may I help you? Oh, that's wonderful. Let me see here. Yes, I do see that. Wonderful. Remember you said that you had a specific house in mind. Is that the one you want to take a look at? So I just pulled it up on my listings here, and it does say that there is work to be done to it and that it's priced to sell. So in real estate speak, yes, there's probably a lot of work that needs to be done to it. Is that something that you're willing to take on? Okay, sure. We could do that. Would you be looking for a new build or would you be looking for something that's established and still, maybe built in the last 5 years? Sure. I totally get that. And I think that's a good way to start your search at looking at that particular location. How many bedrooms and bathrooms are you looking for, and what type of square footage range would you prefer? Okay. Sure, that would be perfect. Have you looked at particular neighborhoods that you're interested in? Well, let me do this. Let me take a look at my listings. I have some software that helps me narrow down by your search. I'll put in there three bathrooms at, or three bedrooms at minimum, two bathrooms at minimum, and let's see what comes up. I can email you over a link so that you can take a look at the available locations and listings, and then you can actually just put a heart on any of the ones that you like, and then maybe we can narrow it down to four or five that you'd like to take a look at. That is possible. Yes, I could reach out to the listing agents of the properties that you're interested in and see if we can set up some tours. So let me shoot this over to you by email right now. I don't have your email address. Okay. Okay. Samantha19 at me.com. Perfect. I'll send this over to you now. And as soon as I see that you have liked a couple of properties, I'll start reaching out to the listing agents and see if we can get some tours set up. One more question for you. When would you like to move and how flexible is your timeline? Okay, so you're looking at Noma and Trinidad. That's perfect. I'll help narrow your search and send you the listings that match your criteria, and then let's get you in a house. Perfect. All right. Well, it was great talking to you. Be looking for that email in just a moment.